out to my cookie brownie bars garden and I picked some cookie brownie bar seeds. Special guest, and then you gotta put in like the cheering noises.
The cheering and the applauding and the on one side. Like,
oh yeah, and we'll come in at the same time.
yes. I hate this. I hate this.
What do they do for their intro for the Christmas?
They just like.
Good Friday. Wait, that's a religious holiday.
Yeah, that's...
They just start.
They just start. Like they never like.
Then
have
let's
like
just
a,
do that.
Today we are doing the blind, deaf, mute baking challenge, and we are making cookie brownie bars. I've never had these or heard of these in my life, I don't think. So we're doing this, but obviously I'm only one person here, so I have some special guests. I have Callie and Lily here with me to be helping me do this, except I don't know how much of a help it will be because we're gonna be blind, deaf, and mute. So we're just gonna see how this goes. Lily's going to be deaf, so she can listen to music. I'm gonna be mute because I'm dying of a sickness, and Callie is going to be blind because why not?
Yeah.
So let's get started here. Yeah, you need to make sure that there's zero sight, pitch black. Is that gonna stay up, or is it like gonna?
my hat on top.
Me too. Sorry if I rip your head off. Okay, so is this folded good?
Like, the lights are really bright and I've only been blind for like a minute. To my mouth.
Well, let's just have a dance party on the other
Give
side
me
of
a
the camera. Oh my gosh.
I'm so tired.
I smell king in this. Do you smell king?
Yeah. Yeah, if I look dumb, I can't tell.
Okay.
Should we get started? You need a bowl. Wait, where's the box? Read the instructions. Ooh. Am I supposed to read it? Oh, because she can't see and you can't talk. Oh, okay. All right. Heat the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, and then we need a glass.
It's really helpful when I can't see anything.
Mix two. Do you have softened butter? We need softened butter. We can probably just melt it.
No, don't melt it. Can't melt it or else it won't turn out good.
Pan and get it half melted and mash it up.
No, no.
What is Callie complaining about?
Oh, don't melt the butter.
What is she talking about?
I can't. Oh.
What is she doing? Are you okay?
No. I don't know where the butter is. I don't know. I can't help.
Okay. Okay. The pan. Don't melt it. Who cares? If you melt it a little bit, I'm not talking about melting it all the way. If you melt it a little bit, just enough to like mash it up. You know what I mean? You can't mix it in like that, obviously. What? Do it? Go in that cupboard right there. There's pots in the top shelf. Oh, I'm sorry. No. Stand up. 3 tablespoons of butter. Here. I forgot you can't see.
Into the light before the sun.
Oh, yeah. For like 2 years, my grandma would babysit us, and it would just be like that the whole time. And my mom came home and was like, "What's going on?" She's like, "The stove could have blown up." So. Where's the bowl? Where's the bowl?
Wait.
You can't stop.
I have to get my thing back on.
This will be for the batter. That's just for the egg.
Okay. This is the counter. Wait, where's the sink? My hands are covered in egg. Oh, this is stressful.
Okay. So we need 2 tablespoons of water, and then the egg and the butter. Wait,
All
what?
these noises are really confusing. I'm like, I don't know what's going on.
Oh, this is for the cookie dough. Yeah. We need egg and oil. Oil and egg in there with the
Gosh. I don't know what
Callie. She can't do it?
I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing.
Me do it?
What is this?
What? I don't know what you're saying.
I don't know what I'm supposed to be
Okay, Callie,
doing.
pick up this ball. Right
Which
here.
bowl?
Yeah, pick up this bowl and go ahead and dump it right now. Now you're gonna take the oil.
Where's the oil?
Spread above your hands, Callie. Now dump it in the bowl.
Is this where the bowl is?
Just dump it in the bowl. Alright, so now open that up and you put the, wait, first we gotta start whisking this.
Oh my bad, what am I doing? Oh, open this? Oh my gosh. It won't open. What the heck? Oh wait.
Okay, now pour it in the bowl.
Which bowl?
Right there. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's not bad.
God, you guys keep pushing me out of the way and then you keep telling me to do stuff.
Okay, calm down a little bit. You gotta wait for the powder to get mixed in.
I don't even know what I'm mixing. What am I
Okay,
stirring?
now you can go faster. Okay, not that fast. What? We're supposed to put it in the pan now. Spray. Callie,
Yeah.
come hither. Take this. Now spray this.
Where? Where am I spraying?
It's right in front of you. Big spray.
I'm just gonna spray.
Stop. You told me to spray. So we just spread it in the pan and then we use this bowl to mix up the second dough. There's the bowl with the spatula.
Where am I
Put it
dumping
in the pan.
this? Where's the... Oh, this is heavy.
You're pretty close to the edge of the pan. Move it a little closer to you.
Wait, closer to me?
Yeah, that's good.
How much more is there to
Let me
scrape?
see. Yeah, you pretty much got it all. Just use this bowl to mix up the other one. And then with the butter and 2 tablespoons of water. Wait, did we do 2 tablespoons? We didn't add 2 tablespoons of water. It's okay, it's okay. We can add it in now. No, we can't. That's a lie. No, that's way too much work. I say we leave it. 2 tablespoons of water? Okay. We're doing it in this pan. This is so thick, if we scrape it back in there, it's not gonna work.
This pan feels really small.
Me or her? Okay, Callie.
What am I doing?
Stir this very slowly.
Oh, it's all over the pan. How much water did you dump in here? Oh, that's disgusting.
Well, there's a little bit of chocolate milk in there now. Okay, you did good. Let me finish.
It's like soup. Ew, that's disgusting.
Well, there's a little bit of chocolate milk in there now. Here. Okay, you did good. Let me finish. Yeah, this might work. Okay, let's not forget this the second time. Okay, it's gonna mix in.
I'm not sure where I am.
I thought it was a little thick. Okay, it's gonna mix in. We're good.
Where the heck am I? I'm lost. Where is it open? Is it not open?
Oh, me do it?
I can't feel anything.
Oh! I forgot you can't talk. So, it's one of these. So, feel up at the top. It's where you have to pull it like that.
Oh, it's greasy.
Okay, you got it. Now, yeah, just dump it in that bowl.
Ah!
And
Spatula just destroyed it.
we're gonna need this butter. Okay, alright. What else do we need? 2 tablespoons of water? Okay, we're not gonna do it afterwards. Alright. Alright, Callie, get mixing.
The bowl. Oh man. Oh, so far. Oh.
Okay. Callie, 1 second. Stop. So for this cookie batter, you're supposed to spoon it on top of the other one. Like in 9 spoonfuls, it says. So we're gonna give you a spoon. Do you think we could use it like one of those ice cream scoopers?
Keep
cookie ones?
opening the drawer into me. It's the 3rd time.
Okay, here, let me see.
I'm lost now.
Okay, Callie. So that's an ice cream scoop that has cookie dough in it.
In it.
So now, come forward. Pan is right there. Now just go ahead and plop it down. Okay, now the bowl, you're gonna do this over and over until it's gone.
How am I gonna know when it's gone?
Okay, that's, okay, yeah. Go ahead.
Is it right here?
Just go wherever.
You like drop it off the counter.
Just leave it. So we just bake it now. Callie's not gonna put it in the oven.
How long does it say?
What does it say? Let me see. How long does it bake? 34 minutes? My gosh, I think I'm going deaf.
Oh, it's so bright. Ow. How bad was it?
It wasn't as bad as I thought it could have been. Some of the cookie dough made it on the counter.
We got it back.
Half of the brownie mix made it on the counter.
Yep, and then it looked really bad when the water got poured in.
It was like thick.
It looked like
It was
small.
like thick. It was like slime.
Yeah, no, I could tell it was thick.
And then we added water to it and had to mix it, and I got a video of it.
It's disgusting. I had to feel it because it felt so weird.
It was so bad. And then we had to get a fork to like dice it. Okay, so now the brownie cookie somethings are in the oven, and we will see you guys after they're done cooking for like the reveal of how they ended up working, because we mixed up some of the steps there. So the creation is done. She's looking snazzy and unique, so we're gonna try it here.
It looks mostly edible.
Mostly
Looks
edible.
good.
Show it to the camera.
I did.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, it's wonderful in that lighting there.
Do you think I should like cut it like that? Like to get like the...
No, just cut it in like...
Or just cut it like... I'll do fourths.
When you said in fourths, I thought you meant like.
That's what I thought.
I was about to be like, dang,
okay.
that's
No, I meant like
giant.
or...
To be honest, I feel like it won't be bad. In pieces.
I don't know if it tastes good.
Worst
Yeah,
case scenario.
We'll get a spatula.
Just.
Oh, that's kind of really bad. Just from that little
I'm
piece.
scared. I forgot I like lost past my taste. It's not bad.
I don't think it's bad. The
Does
cookie
it
dough
not
part.
taste like chemicals to you?
So you don't
I have-
usually eat stuff like this. Like I'm
Okay.
more used to eating.
I don't have most of my taste at the moment. So I think it tastes fun. I feel like a homemade version of this could actually be really good though.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I say you freeze it and serve it Sunday dinner. Aunt Julie?
Aunt Julie, Aunt Leanie.
Oh.
She'd be like, so what's the vegetable in it, you know, like,
It's actually zucchini, you wouldn't know.
yeah,
So that's good.
zucchini and squash combined.
Yeah.
So that is our blind.
What do we rate it? We can rate it.
I'm
10 out of
gonna
10
say like a
being
s-
like gourmet molten.
I'm saying like 6. But
I would give
can't
it a
taste.
4.
I
would give
can't
it a 4
taste
'cause
right
I
now.
don't.
2.
I can't taste, so it's like not like a fair like.
Yeah. I mean, I would eat it, but I would not like voluntarily go out of my way to
And
get
be
this
like,
again.
I need those brownie cookie somethings.
That I would make it again, but without the chocolate part. Just get the cookie part.
You'd make cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that was our blind def baking, and I feel like baking wise it ended up decent.
Yeah. Maybe I actually did.
Like the combining, the cooking,
I mean, I don't know.
and the taste wise.
It was really good when it was in the oven.
We also had to cook it longer than it said.
You had to cook it for like 50 minutes. It said 34. So.
It turned out edible.
Yeah.
Would be my turn. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all the things. For 12 days of Christmas, turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching. Love ya and bye.